Python dev installation error, import error, no module named apt_pkg. I am Debian user, and I want to install Python dev, but when I run the code in the shell as a root, I get the following error. What seems to be the problem and how can I resolve it?
I met this problem when doing sudo apt-get update. My end is Debian 8, with Python 2.7 plus 3.4 default plus 3.5. The following code will only recreate a apt_pkg ... so file for Python 3.5. The following code solved my problem. Go to dist packages. Locate the appropriate .so file for the Python version installed on your system. Create a symbolic link. Replace your version number appropriately. Caution, the following will create a symlink from apt_pkg37m to apt_pkg36m. Make sure you are linking to the correct, or at least to an existing version by ls apt_pkg.python, and see which ones you have installed. So, obviously, Python 3 apt checks the highest Python version, instead of the current Python version in use. To understand why this is happening, see this answer further down, this URL. Solve it by this. Or basically, if you get a no such file or directory, just ls to try to get the right name.
This happened to me on Ubuntu 18.04.2 after I tried to install Python 3.7 from the deadsnakes repo. Solution was this. 1. cd 2. sudo lane s apt_pkg.python 36 meters x 86_64 linux new.so apt_pkg.so.
Make sure you have a working Python apt package. You could try and remove and install that package again to fix the problem with apt_pkg.so not being located.
I see everyone saying how to fix it with strange copying etc., but no one really said why the problem occurs. So let me explain, for those of you who like me don't want to mess with system files only because someone on so told them so. The problem is that many system scripts have Python 3 shebang hard-coded into them. You can check it yourself. Python apt package Python apt/Python 3 apt is a system package, so it's for default system Python. Thus, the scripts will always get the version currently linked to Python 3, but fail because the apt package is not present. General solution: never change default Python 3 link. Ever. This also applies to Python link. If an app was written in Python 2 with some old syntax elements that don't work in Python 3, the app will not work. My terminal broke that way because I use Terminator, which is apparently written in Python 2.7 not compatible with Python 3. Solutions presented here either suggest copying/linking the apt package files or changing Python 3 link. Let's analyze both. Copying/linking the apt package. This shouldn't be a problem because from around Python 3.4 all Python scripts work on newer versions as well. So far. but it may break in the future, if you keep your system long enough. Changing Python 3 link back. This is a great solution because we can get back to never ever changing the link. But I like having to type just Python, I like it too. That's how I got to this problem in the first place. In general, you should avoid manually changing system links, use update alternatives instead to link different versions. This applies to any app with many versions. This will still break those system scripts, because it does change the link, but you can switch back and forth easily, without worrying whether you put link and dest in the right order or made a typo. Consider using other name than Python/Python3 for your link or alias. Or add your own Python/Python3 link to path, just like virtual environments do, without changing system links.
What is going on?